Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Monday the 12th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Monday. We have another Amazon unboxing. This coming from my good friends over at... Oh boy. I think it's like MYHB. I'm not 100% sure now. Let's see. There we go. But of course, you guys can get one at a low cost with the discount code. Be down below. Check them out. There we go. One more cut. Here comes what we have here. Alright, what is this? Showing. What is this? Oh, showing bed sheets king size. All right, so we got a couple bed sheets in here to show you guys. And like I said, check them out on Amazon. Take advantage of the Prime savings and the fast shipping. Here we go. So let's see the presentation. Oh yeah, nice box. All right, these are the Egyptian 1800 thread bed sheets. There we go. There we go. Whoa, these are soft. I can feel them already. I got oh there, boom, boom, boom. It's like a Christmas gift. Bam. And of course I'll do the full review in a second after this video is done, or at the unboxing. These are really nice. I got pillowcases. Ah, come on. Here's the pillowcases. This might be the main sheet thing. Yeah, this is the main comfort or the bed sheet right here. Really nice color to it. Dark gray, I do believe. Charcoal. 1800 threads. Super soft though. Bada boom. We got that one. Like I said, and second, if you guys stay in for the whole video, I'll be at the end. These are the pillowcases. Look at that. Bam. Nice detail right there. Fancy. Fancy dancy. Here we go. There we go. Nice pillowcase there. Number 2. Oh boy, it's coming out. And here's the top part. So really nice threading. 1800 threads. Super soft. Supposed to be super comfy. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the Shilucheng Egyptian 1800 threads bed sheets. Get one at a low cost. Click on the link, and I believe I'll probably have a promo code for you guys. Get them at a low cost, and these are really nice. This is the king size, charcoal gray or gray, I believe. I don't know. Maybe my vision's getting bad, but I think it is gray, charcoal. Really nice. Like I said, super soft. Definitely a good night's sleep. Everybody deserves one. Check them out. And that's about it for today, YouTubers. You guys be safe. I'll have another video coming up later. And that's about it. So there you go. The Shilucheng Egyptian threads. Comes with one of these things. I forgot what they're called. Bed toppers. Right there they are. Right there. Shilucheng. Really nice. You guys can see the threads. Perfect threading. All over. Super soft. Check them out. YouTubers, be safe. See ya.